Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Feonase leather full-size bed frame, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your bedroom. This sleek black bed frame comes with a built-in fast charging station on the headboard, featuring 2 AC outlets, a Type-C, and a USB port, ensuring your devices are always powered up right at your bedside. Wrapped in faux leather upholstery, the headboard is not only soft and skin-friendly but also offers a comfortable backrest experience with its high-resilience memory foam. With a generous 4-inch headboard storage and 12-inch underbed space, this bed frame maximizes your room's storage potential, keeping your space neat and organized. Built for stability and durability, it boasts 13 sturdy metal slats and 9 thick legs, providing firm support for your mattress while its round corner design ensures safety from accidental bumps. Enjoy a noise-free sleep environment thanks to the EVA Mute technology, and rest easy knowing assembly is a breeze with clear instructions and well-labeled parts, requiring no additional tools. Remember, the mattress is sold separately, but with this bed frame, you're investing in a piece that promises comfort, convenience, and a touch of modern elegance to your bedroom. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.